Poultry farmers have requested government to invest in poultry production in order to avoid huge imports. They argue cost of production is crippling their business, making way for importation. But before we take that story, let's go back to our health stories on meningitis. And I told you earlier on that our reporter AC Benwanyame is at the press conference being organized by the health services to tell us more on what is being done about the outbreak. Hello AC, good afternoon.
Hello.
Thank you very much, AC. Thanks for joining us. What have you gathered at the press conference regarding the outbreak?
Well, we have been told that, the current situation of the outbreak of pneumococcal meningitis, which occurred in December 2015 in Bohani and Shea Park constituency in the time in the Bonahako region. Currently we are told that 315 people which were recorded. Out of that, 33 people have died. And then they have been addressing us, and we have been told that there are heightened awareness and that the threat, but still the threat remains. And there are a lot of education going on in those affected. They have said that it is the meningitis belt. So there are a lot of activities going on there to contain the situation. Yesterday we heard that in the Ashanti region, 2 people have died, but the Deputy Director and Head Semblance of the Ghana Health Service, Dr. Franklin Asiedu-Bekwin, is saying that there is no outbreak in that particular region. If we just briefly, I could just give a list of the cases for us. So in the Atebubu district, for example, they had 6 cases and 1 death, and the highest we're told was in the Time district, where they reported 49 cases, and out of that 12 people have died. And the WHO is also helping in that effort. So they have supplied the country with some equipment kits. So Dr. Sally Annie Ohene, she is the WHO Disease Prevention and Control Officer, and she says that the WHO has provided a number of laboratory equipment, including the test kits for the diagnosis of meningitis, and they are expecting more. So they're saying that the situation is not an epidemic situation because of the cases that have been recorded. Okay, so
but did they specifically mention, aside the logistics and all, specific measures they are putting in place to stop the spread?
Hello?
Did they give specific measures they're putting in place to help prevent or stop the spread entirely?
Well, yes. So they are saying that people should, what people should be doing, and so people should avoid overcrowding areas. People should drink a lot of water, improve ventilation, and all that. So there are some public health education programs going on up there, and as well as they're trying to bring it down here so that people will be aware of the disease.
Thank you very much, AC Benwanyame. She is at the Ghana Health Service covering a press conference being organized by the authority to ensure that there is some control on the meningitis spread.